Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo finds two different paths leading through the forest. One path is shorter but rocky, while the other is longer but smooth. He must decide which path is better. A new word becomes important: evaluate. Evaluate means to judge or decide the value of something carefully. Timo studies both paths closely. He thinks about the risks and benefits of each. He compares distance, safety, and effort. He chooses the path that is safer and steady. Timo remembers that to evaluate means making careful decisions, and thoughtful thinking helps him choose wisely on his journeys ahead.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.